Cotton organic fertilizer production line is the best solution for technological innovation to help environmental protection. It adopts advanced technology to produce high-quality organic fertilizer. The production line mainly uses the drum granulator combined with the disc granulator for granulation. Our equipment is the most practical granulator for large-scale production of granular organic fertilizer. It also includes batching system, fertilizer crusher, fertilizer mixer, rotary dryer, rotary cooler, three-stage rotary screening machine, Granules fertilizer packing machine, etc. Advantages of this production line: 1. Automatic control, high production efficiency. 2. Controllable quality, wide range of uses. 3. Advanced technology, low energy consumption. 4. High organic content. After fermentation, the product has 100% organic matter, no binder needs to be added, and it meets the standard of pure organic fertilizer.